Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is the 143 quart the pressure cookers, and they all made aluminum. So let's take the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 35 inches. And the overall height is about like 2 feet 24 inches. As you can see, the units we have 1, 2, 3, 4 handlebars. They mount on the body, and on top lid we're having 2 handlebars, and also we're having the load weights for the units. This top lid come 1, 2, 3, 4. The low weight on top of it, and also we're having the connections. You can squeeze out, and this one for this location you can put the pressure gauge on top of it. And also we're having this lid lockers. When you twist it, they will lock this lid with the high pressures. And when you're trying to lose it, and just anti-clock to losing this hinge, and you can remove the lid. And let's take a look at the inner side first. We can take a look at the inner side right now. So for this pot, entirely the inner side diameters, they will be 28 inches. And the overall depth about like 14 inches. So for this unit, and they having the gasket all around the top plate and can seal all the units pretty steadily. And this is the all information about these pressure cookers. This is the all information about this aluminum 143 quart pressure cookers. And if you do have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you so much.